disclosing that you're getting vaccinated, celebrating that you're getting vaccinated. That helps.
What is the responsibility of an elected official when it comes to disclosure of vaccination during a public health crisis? Elected UCP MLAs have been publicly criticized for not openly disclosing this information.
Do you think that this could potentially lead to dangerous outcomes within their constituents?
You know, in Alberta, we have a very high rate of vaccination hesitancy. The concern is that these kinds of actions do kind of, at a minimum, they do nothing to help the vaccination hesitancy issue. And might they even, question mark here, might they even increase hesitancy?
In April, UCP MLA for Airdrie, Angela Pitt, said she wouldn't say whether she would get it or not.
I'm a big believer in holding health information privately, so I choose not to disclose that information.
She pivoted shortly after, explaining she would be getting the vaccine. On Friday, Alberta Premier Jason Kenney was asked about his party's MLAs not openly disclosing or encouraging their constituents to get it.
Well, I think vaccination is a choice that everybody makes for themselves, and I don't think people go and get the jab because some politician does.
In April, 17 UCP MLAs came forward to oppose the health restrictions their own party enacted as cases continued to rise.
Research tells us that individuals with a more conservative ideology are more likely to believe misinformation, more likely to be vaccination hesitant.
That's the biggest problem for Jason Kenney, is that he's got a number of members of his own party, within his own government, that are resisting the policies that he's suggesting, although ambivalently until recently.
Political analyst Lori Williams says because of this and the dire COVID-19 situation in the province, the Premier walks a fine line within his party. But now is not the time to bow down to a voter base.
You're not just doing what your constituents tell you to do. You are leading based on the additional information that government officials have. They have more information about vaccines. They have more information about the effectiveness of lockdowns.
In Calgary, Taylor Braat, City News.